sa lahat ng taong nangangarap, nagsusumikap, at gustong makamit ang pangarap. Be patient with yourself, enjoy the journey, and trust the process. Ikaw ba yung tipong taong mainipin? Na kapag may ginawa kang bagay, gusto mo bukas sa bukas may resulta na? Well, hindi ganun ang buhay. You see, every journey, every success story is a result of a beautifully orchestrated process. Isipin mo na parang pagtatanim ng bato. Hindi mangyayari. Agad-agad kinabukasan, magiging puno na. It takes time. It needs nurturing, right conditions, and process of growth. Your dreams and goals are the same. They need their own time to flourish. Sa buhay, napuno ng challenges. Sa araw-araw, may struggles and obstacles. At lahat ng yan ay part ng unique process mo na pagdadaanan sa buhay. Kaysa ma-frustrate, yakapin at harapin mo. Ang mga challenges na yan ang huhubog sa'yo into a person you're destined to become. Tulad ng isang paru-paro na kailangan mo na mag-struggle palabas ng kanyang cocoon para lumakas ang kanyang mga pakpak. Ang iyong mga pagsubok ay nagtataglay ng katibayan at lakas na kinakailangan para sa iyong tagumpay. Success is like a marathon, not a sprint. Bawat hakbang, bawat pagsubok ay bahagi ng iyong takbo. Relish every step, learn from every stumble, and celebrate every milestone. Pagmasdan ng isang manguukit kung paano niya hinuhulma ang isang obra maestra. It's a process, a series of deliberate steps that lead to a magnificent creation. Your life is a masterpiece, and you're the artist. Kaya naman, sa lahat ng taong nangangarap, nagsusumikap, at gustong makamit ang pangarap, be patient with yourself, enjoy the journey, and trust the process. Tandaan mo, it's not about the destination. It's about becoming the person capable of reaching it. Don't rush it. Don't get impatient. Keep hustling, keep growing, and watch as your unique process unfolds into greatness.